You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look.
One person has died and thousands are affected as Meghalaya grapples with the devastating impact of an intense southwest monsoon. The state has recorded 44% excess rainfall since 1 June 2024, triggering widespread landslides, flash floods, and significant infrastructure damage across multiple districts. The lone fatality occurred in East Khasi Hills, where a resident of Nong Minsong drowned in a flooded river at Umkaliar, Shillong on 23 June. The body was recovered on 1 July, prompting Chief Secretary D.P. Vahalang to order the immediate release of ex gratia payment to the victim's family. In West Garo Hills, 4 villages, Pattangare, Deblega, Kopoga, and Sapalga, are completely cut off, with district officials preparing to deliver essential supplies by boat. The situation is equally dire in other districts, with numerous roads blocked by landslides and many areas experiencing flooding. Responding to the crisis, Chief Secretary Vahalang chaired an emergency review meeting on 4 July with key officials, including Revenue Disaster Management Secretary Sanjay Goyal and PWD Secretary Syed MDA Raji. The meeting revealed the extent of the damage and outlined immediate response measures. In East Jantia Hills, authorities have restored connectivity on NH6 and the Dakia Sutanga Sepung Molse Haflong Road following recent landslides. The Chief Secretary has ordered an immediate halt to all mining activities near rivers and streams in the district to prevent further environmental damage. West Jantia Hills reported affected areas along the Ummalong Purieng and Davki Amlarem roads, while East Khasi Hills faced landslides affecting 17 roads. Most routes have been cleared for traffic, but repairs are ongoing. To support relief efforts, the state government has made 13.5 crore rupees in advance funds available to district collectors. Chief Secretary Vahalang assured that additional funds would be allocated as needed. He emphasized the urgent need to restore road connectivity across the state, particularly in the worst-hit areas of West Garo Hills. Vahalang has directed officials to ensure that toilets, drinking water, medicines, and other essential commodities reach affected areas within 24 hours. He also ordered the Public Works Department to repair potholes urgently to facilitate smoother traffic flow and aid distribution. As Meghalaya continues to battle the relentless monsoon, state officials remain on high alert. The focus is on providing immediate relief to affected communities, restoring damaged infrastructure, and mitigating further risks. The southern districts, which have experienced more severe effects, are under close monitoring by disaster management teams. With more rain forecast in the coming days, authorities are working round the clock to prevent further loss of life and minimize the impact on the state's population and infrastructure.